Listen to me, because what we are going to talk about today is your hard-earned money, your security, and making sure that as you step into retirement, or as you are sitting comfortably in retirement, you do not make a single financial mistake that compromises your peace of mind. You asked a very specific question: can I create a Paysafe account in Nigeria? I am going to give you the direct, honest truth right away because I never want you guessing when it comes to your financial tools. The short answer is no. If you are living in Nigeria, you cannot directly open and fully operate a standard Paysafe account, specifically Paysafe card, as a local resident. Paysafe has geographic restrictions, and Nigeria is currently not on their list of supported countries for account creation and voucher services. Now, I know some of you might be sitting there thinking, Susie, why does this matter to me? Why was I even looking into this in the first place? Let us break down what is really going on here. As you approach retirement, or as you are enjoying your golden years, your financial priorities shift dramatically. You are no longer in the wealth accumulation phase where you can afford to take unnecessary risks. You are in the wealth preservation phase. You want things that are safe, simple, regulated, and reliable. Many retirees or pre-retirees start looking into platforms like Paysafe for a few very understandable reasons. Maybe you have adult children or grandchildren living abroad, in Europe, Canada, or the United States, and you want a simple way to receive financial gifts or send money back and forth. Or maybe you are doing more online shopping, booking travel for your retirement years, or trying to pay for international subscriptions, and you are terrified, rightfully so, of putting your primary bank debit card online where hackers could potentially get a hold of your life savings. That fear is real, and that fear is completely justified. You worked 40, maybe 45 years to build your nest egg. The last thing you want is to enter your debit card number on an unfamiliar website and wake up the next morning to find your main checking account wiped out. That fear drives people to search for alternative payment systems, digital wallets, and prepaid voucher cards like Paysafe. Because Paysafe allows people in supported regions to pay online using prepaid vouchers without revealing their bank account or credit card numbers, it sounds like a dream tool for a safety-conscious retiree. It sounds like the perfect wall between your retirement savings and the rest of the online world. So when you search online and discover that Paysafe isn't directly supported for account opening in Nigeria, a secondary danger appears. And this is the part where I need you to lean in and listen to me very carefully, because this is where people get hurt financially. When a popular service isn't officially available in a country, the internet fills up with unauthorized workarounds. You will find websites, forums, and individuals claiming, hey, we can help you create an overseas Paysafe account, or buy foreign Paysafe vouchers from us through an informal exchange. Do not, under any circumstances, fall for this. Are you kidding me? Attempting to bypass geographic restrictions using virtual private networks, fake addresses, or unverified third-party brokers puts your money at immense risk. If you use a third-party seller to buy unauthorized vouchers or attempt to set up an account with incorrect location data, the platform can freeze those funds instantly. More importantly, many of those middleman services are outright scams designed specifically to target retirees who are simply looking for a secure way to manage money internationally. Once you hand your cash over to an unregulated online broker, that money is gone, and nobody can get it back for you. So, what is the actionable takeaway here? What should you actually do if you are in Nigeria, looking for safe, seamless ways to make international transactions or protect your main bank accounts in retirement? First, look at legitimate, fully regulated alternative money transfer services that operate legally within Nigeria. If your goal is receiving money from family abroad or sending funds internationally, use established, licensed cross-border payment processors. Services like WorldRemit, Remitly, Western Union, or local digital banking platforms that are licensed by the Central Bank of Nigeria give you legal recourse and regulatory protection. Second, if your main concern is online security, if you are looking at Paysafe simply because you do not want to expose your main bank account online, talk to your official bank about setting up a separate, dedicated online shopping account or utilizing virtual card features offered directly by reputable Nigerian financial institutions. By keeping a separate account with a small, limited balance just for online transactions, you create that exact same security firewall. If that secondary card ever gets compromised, your primary retirement funds and main savings remain completely untouched and secure. Third, always prioritize regulatory protection over convenience. If a financial product requires complex workarounds, third-party agents, or unofficial channels just to sign up, it is not the right product for your retirement years. In retirement, your financial mantra must be clarity, legality, and safety. You have worked far too hard for your money to let it sit in financial gray areas. Stick to official, fully supported channels, protect your main accounts with smart boundaries, and never let anyone convince you to take shortcuts with your financial security. Stand tall, stay informed, and protect what is yours.